Well, I'm back by popular demand. And for you new people.
Hi.
So this is the first Black Friday 2024 unboxing I'm doing. Severin's up first because I covered them before as one of the first unboxings I did. Grabbing classics like Night of the Demon, where Bigfoot rips this dude's junk right off. Or Black Candles when... and then the stupid goat comes in. Okay, I'll unbox now before I lose any more viewers. Oh no, it's full of nuts. No, Noche de... I can't read that. Blood Hunt. With strong Peckinpah vibes, a doctor from the city arrives in a rural Spanish town. He winds up involved with a local tradition that goes very violent. Speaking of Peckinpah, if you enjoy the bloody classic Straw Dogs, you should absolutely give this a shot. Ooh, a sticker. All or Nothing. Probably the only prestigious blue from Severin. Unless you count Overboard. Which I do.
And it should burst in your mouth at precisely the right moment.
From Mike Lee, this star-studded cast involves Timothy Spall, the rat boy from Harry Potter.
Rat boy, I resent that.
Leslie Mansfield, a fairy.
Thank you.
Sally Hawkins, who fought the hot fish man. And James Corden, someone who no one wants to fuck. Jokes aside, I'm looking forward to this one.
But don't say goodbye.
Funny, isn't it? Love. If you're not together, you're alone.
Don't it make my brown eyes blue?
Closed Circuit.
I am alive, yes? Yes!
No, I said closed circuit. Here's the scenario. You're watching a spaghetti restaurant. Then this happens. The police rush over and everyone in the theater is locked in because everyone here is a suspect.
L'assassino è ancora qui dentro e anche la sua pistola.
The police decide to reenact the crime scene.
Deve sedere nel posto occupato dalla vittima.
Grazie della collaborazione.
Cominciare.
Think of it like Clue, but stuck in a theater.
La sedia dove sono morti.
Uscire di qui, ci ammazzano tutti!
Disassemble! Dead!
Hey, slow down!
What is this? Oh, the Shadow Mind. From the famed director who made American Ninja 3 and 4, we got Shadow Mind. So this is a sleazy psychosexual slasher taking place in an institution. Few call this more of an art film melodrama than an outright slasher. It's about sexually challenged patients dealing with Jallo. Yeah, I know, that word is overused in every movie now. With lots of stabbing and plenty of nudity to even make Michael Keane blush.
Yeah, right.
Wait a sec. Jeez, how far does this go?
It has been locked away for centuries, trapped deep inside its ancient prison. But now, the time has come for the ultimate evil to rise again. To come into this world so that he may spawn a new terror.
Oh. The church. What is that noise? Jeez. Whoops.
And build a church on it. A holy shrine to imprison the demon in this pit forever.
Please don't let me fall!
Oh, shoot. Burial ground. Yes, a favorite of mine and a Severin staple. Now I get to watch this in glorious 4K. Uh-oh, YouTube won't show that part. Fine, I'll recreate it. Don't worry, this won't be it. I got all these to do. Jeez, I think I bought too many movies.
Daddy, you got something in the mail.
Huh? What?